And now my camera is ready to go for a landscape in bright sun. So this is how to mount the Haida Rear Lens kit using the adapter ring on your Sony 14mm wide angle lens. This is the perfect lens for landscape photography. If you want to use ND filters, you see where the problem is. This is all fixed. The lens has a curvature. There are some special adapters to mount ND filters in the front of this lens, but there's a much easier solution to this problem. If we open the lens, you see in the back this part of the lens that attaches to the camera. Haida now has a so-called rear lens soft GND filter kit. It comes in a cool leather pouch. So you have a series of these filters. See, they have like different characteristics to be used. And how can we use these filters on this lens? This is the adapter ring. And what we have to do is we have to replace this part of our lens with this ring. Let's check the manual first. So this is something that is always important to read the instructions before you start. So we have the adapter ring that I showed you. We have the NDI filters, NDO 0.9, 0.2, 0.8, and 3.0, but there are more available. You see there are some empty spots in the box to buy or to get yourself even more filters that have this dimension. And then, okay, it describes step 1, find the dust-free environment and locate 3 screws that hold the filter holder on the side. Let's find the 3 screws. So it shows also the marks. I have removed the original adapter ring. We have positioned this on the back of the lens. So let's screw in the black ones. Screw number 3. We'll store the original back in the case along with all the screws that we have used. This is the original back. We replaced it with the Haida back. So you just place the glass, the filter in the back and slide the fixing lever. So this is the fixing lever that we slide from left to right. And you see the filter is now mounted on the lens, ready to shoot. And you can easily change, remove these filters. And now my camera is ready to go for a landscape in bright sun. This is the summary of how to mount the Haida Rear Lens kit using the adapter ring on your Sony 14mm wide angle lens. Enjoy shooting, and thanks for Haida to sending me the kit to give it a try. And I will also share some photos I took using this setup. Stay tuned for more, and as always, voila.